back at me, 'cause I know that's a good place to start. I know people make promises all the time, then they turn right around and break them. And someone cut your heart open with a knife and you bleeding. Don't you know I could be that guy to heal it over time? And I won't stop until you believe.